Hello viewer, if your real-time location sharing option not showing in your Google Message app, let's see how to get real-time location feature in Google Messages. Step 1. Open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now search Google Message app. Go to Google Messages. Now scroll down. From here, please join Google Message beta program so that you get the new real-time location share option on Google Messages. If you join here, you will see the new feature before the public does. Now scroll up. Now update your Google Message app. After complete the update process, follow the second step. Open Google Message app. Now click on Google Message profile. Now scroll down. Click on Help and Feedback from the bottom. Now click on Send Feedback. Now allow one-time access. Now in the feedback section, write down, "Hi Google Message team, real-time location share feature not showing on my Google Messages app. Please add real-time location in my Google Message app." Then send your feedback. After doing this, please wait few minutes or hour to fix your real-time location share option not showing in your Google Messages.